What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins and I'm back with another video, back with another unboxing. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. Man, I got so much stuff to unbox. So really I'm just gonna get into it. I got a whole bunch of stuff. I haven't unboxed anything in like, I don't know, man. I don't think I've dropped a video for a couple weeks. 2 weeks? 3 weeks? Maybe a month, man, honestly. You know what? First, though, I was going to open up this pack. Hold on. I got hella boxes. Check this out. So, I shot the video for this shoe, and I think I actually deleted it. So, I'm not going to do a whole shoe review on it, but I'm going to show you guys. This is the first thing I picked up. Yeah, I don't know what happened, bro. I don't know what happened. I deleted the video. But these are the Bordeaux ones. Pretty clean. I feel like my light's too bright. There you go. These Bordeaux ones, man. These are clean, man. I think this is like the sleeper of the year. These got super good quality. Super duper soft. I like the color. Come with extra laces. I think I like the white laces more, personally. With that silver check. You got Bordeaux on the bottom. You got that like little jewel Jordan wings. So yeah, man. Yeah, I'm kind of irritated. I don't know how I deleted the video, but it happened. But so yeah, that's the first thing I copped. Let's open up this pack real quick. Oh, I forgot I got this. A little thermal. This is the top. These are the bottoms. Clean little pickup. What else we got here? Let's open up this box. Yeah, this packaging is crazy. Oh wow. Yo, I didn't know it came in its own case. Yeah, one morning I was just super bored, so I went for it. And it sold out pretty fast. Check that out. I forgot I got this. That's dope though. It's dope. This is a hard case. This is super hard. I even got one of the regular ones too. But yeah, no, this was dope. I think it was like $50 or something like that. 50 bucks. I don't know if it's gonna have any value. I just thought it was cool. The shoe I really want to get to. This is what I've been waiting for. Oh, bro. God damn. Wow. Yes, sir. Some cool gray joints. I got these from GOAT. So yeah, man, I kind of broke my rule, but I could not have this shoe in my collection. So it's inside of the box. Bow. Cool Gray 11. Bro, I had to have it, man. Honestly, I had to have it. This is so fire. There's no way I was letting this shoe slip away from me, you know what I'm saying? So I ended up dropping like, I think I spent like $350, bro. It kills me. It kills me to spend resale on a pair of shoes, but this is the only shoe I spent I paid resale for this whole year. So, what can I say, man? It happens sometimes. Sometimes you gotta get that shoe. This shoe is fire though. It got the suede going around it. Yeah, these are way better in hand. There's no way I could have missed out on these. Yeah, I'm not mad, bro. Sometimes you gotta pay to play, bro. Even the tongue got that nice little suede on it. These are nice. These are nice. Here's the other shoe. I mean, what can you say? I had to do it, bro. I had to do it. These are fire. What else did I get? Where's this other shoe? These are fire. I think this is gonna be the most slept on shoe. Most slept on Jordan 1 this year, right here. These Bordeaux. The colorway's fire. The quality of the leather is fire. This is a dub. This shoe, to me, definitely worth paying what I paid for it. I'll never sell this shoe. I'm contemplating doing the on foot. We'll see. But yes, sir, man. Little thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you guys for tapping in with me. I ain't have much to say about these shoes, bro. I'm just happy I got my hands on these. You know what I'm saying? I had a whole bunch of shit to unbox. I appreciate you tapping in with me. You guys, make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. It's your boy Bert Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.